Prime Minister Narendra Modi has briefed the NDA MPs over his governance agenda during his tea party at 7 Racecourse Road, an event that ended a short while ago. The Prime Minister, who addressed the members of Parliament, said that the poor are the centre of all government schemes, be it the Jan Dhan Yojana or other flagship schemes that have been rolled out by the government. The Prime Minister also laid stress on the Clean India mission that has been very high profile in the last few days. The NDA MPs were also addressed by BJP veteran Lal Krishna Advani and as many as 3 union ministers. While Finance Minister Arun Jaitley gave the Assembly a presentation on the Jan Dhan Yojana, Surface Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari elaborated on the Adarsh Gram Yojana, and Labour Minister Narendra Singh Tomar on labour reforms being taken up by the government. Urban Development Minister Venkaiah Naidu also briefed the members of Parliament of the NDA.
We had an address by the Prime Minister who talked about cleanliness drive, about various issues of the government, how a common member of Parliament can turn the things in this country, how a common member of Parliament can be a symbol of a positive political entity, and how the respectability of politicians can be enhanced in this country. He talked in a gamut of subjects. The spectrum was very wide, but it was held in a very cordial environment. The Prime Minister happily endorsed the achievements of the Bharatiya Janata Party and greeted Mr. Amit Shah on his victory in Haryana and Maharashtra. So it was a major get-together and in the 5th month of government.
So this was a stock-taking meeting. It was a celebration also of what the BJP has achieved in Maharashtra and Haryana. And all of those MPs were also treated to presentations by union ministers of what the government has achieved so far. Let's go straight across to Deputy Editor Brajesh Pandey, who was reporting on this event as it happened, as it played out earlier this evening. Brajesh, anything you can tell us about what are perhaps the takeaways from the event that happened today?
Well, one thing for sure, Shiv, that the current dispensation has clearly learned from the failure of communication, which was so amply shown by the previous UPA 1 and UPA 2, and given by the fact that the Prime Minister made sure that all the ambitious schemes which has been launched by the Prime Minister, all the 335 plus MPs of NDA were told about these schemes in great detail by Finance and Defence Minister Arun Jaitley, Surface Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari and Labour Minister Narendra Tomar. And these MPs were sorted not only by these 3 cabinet ministers but later on by the Prime Minister himself. And they were told that that it is their job now to take these schemes to the masses, to convey to the masses the kind of work which is being done by the centre, so as to make sure that there is no communication gap between the masses and the NDA government. Apart from that, Prime Minister also laid a great deal of emphasis on the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, thereby exhorting almost all the MPs present there by making sure that they also carry cleanliness drive in their respective constituencies, especially in villages and all, so that that the scheme of launched by the government goes down to the last person in the village. Shiv?
Thanks, Brajesh, for getting us that comprehensive update on what happened at that meeting. We're going to get more voices. Rajiv Pratap Rudy has spoken out. We're going to try and get more voices and put some specific questions, especially perhaps to the Shiv Sena MPs who were at the gathering with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the senior ministers. Brajesh, thanks for the moment.